Fountain, a provider of hiring automation software for frontline workforces, considers India as one of the big hubs in this space, a top company official said. The company is present in the US, Western Europe, UK, France, Germany, as well as in South Africa, India, New Zealand, and a few other countries. The big hubs are India, UK, and France, founder and CEO of the company Seen Beher told PTI. Fountain focuses exclusively on the blue-collar and grey-collar workforce. A vast majority of people don't do PowerPoint or Excel, they do things on the front lines of our economy, Beher said, adding that hiring and retaining workers in the blue and grey-collar economy has never been more difficult. India is the most natural place to invest and to expand as there is a huge opportunity and growth rate in the blue-grey collar market, Beher noted. China has some similar dynamics, but obviously there's geopolitical challenges, while in India you have a bigger population and a very good place for technology to invest in this market, he said. Beher pointed out that India has more people in the workforce with a payment-enabled smartphone as compared to the 330 million total population of the United States. With 8 million manual informal processes, there is absolutely no way to scale to 25 million workers and still be using manual processes. You need to bring technology that will standardize the process for these workers, and it benefits both the worker and, actually more importantly, the company. Fountain aims to bring standardized technical processes to an informal, disorganized, spreadsheets, forms, and paper system. Beher said Fountain hired over 3 million blue and grey-collar workers in 75 countries using 35 different languages in 2022. He pointed out that a country like India poses scale and complexity problems owing to the diversity aspect here. In Germany, you really only need one language. Here that doesn't work. You have to have technology that is smart enough to know that, if I'm recruiting in Karnataka or Delhi, I may be interacting with an applicant and need to have the ability to switch languages, he said. Beher also outlined IPO plans for Fountain, which marks his fourth entrepreneurial venture after starting up in e-commerce, advertising, and car riding business. It's a couple of years away for us. It's an incredible investment. You have to hire lots of people, build all the right financial reporting, legal, which takes you away from building the business, he said. The company last raised funds in Series C round in 2022, amid a challenging environment for late-stage startups, and said there's enough cash in the bank for now.